Hello, my name is Josue Puerta and I am going to describe my room before and now. Before there were white walls, now there are black walls. Before there were white curtains, now there are black curtains. Before there were no paintings above the bed. Now there is a large painting above the bed. Before there were small pictures next to the window. Now there are big pictures next to the window. Before there was a ceiling lamp. Now there are lamps and down the wall next to the bed. Before there was no headboard in the bed. Now there is a headboard and next then on the left side. Now there is a photo and a newspaper on the next table. Before there was a duvet on the bed and now there are blankets on the bed. Before there were two pillows on the bed and now there are eight pillows. Before there were no decoration on walls. Now there are flowers and candies on top of a wardrobe that is in front of the bed.